Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. Today I am going to be filming a clean out my fridge video. I actually have to clean it out anyway, so I thought why not share it. The best time for me and for anybody I feel like to clean out your fridge is right before you go grocery shopping, because most likely it's pretty sparse, which mine is. I have to go grocery shopping in the next couple days. So I feel like I wanted to film that and share with you guys how I clean it out and sanitize it. I'm also going to clean the outside of the fridge with some stainless steel cleaner. I know a lot of you guys like cleaning and organizational videos, so if you want to see how I clean out my fridge, just keep on watching. So to clean the inside of my fridge, I'm using this, guys. It is the Barkeeper's Friend. This is the spray foam cleaner. They also have like a cream cleanser, I believe. But this one just does a really good job. It gets everything out. It sanitizes everything. I will forewarn you, it is very, very strong scent-wise. So if you have like babies or little ones, maybe make sure they're away from what you are doing, because this is a very strong scented, not a good scent cleaner. So just to forewarn you, I'm going to go ahead now and wipe down everything in the main area of the fridge. To clean my stainless steel, I use this product here. It is just a natural stainless steel cleaner. I found this at HomeGoods, but pretty much any stainless steel cleaner should do the trick. So I use this, and I do use a rag, like a washcloth, not a paper towel. I just find that it cleans better with a rag.